Tell them what we're doing.
Watch the road, Jimmy.
Pick up a rock picker.
You want to pick up a cotton-headed rock picker, dude?
Oh, we're doing good. How are you doing? What are we doing? Headed to Iowa. Let's get it.
Hey guys, we're here on the side of the road. We're broke down. There's no more motor in the front of the truck, basically, and it's cold. No heater. This guy's got the only blanket and he's asleep in the back. On this busy highway, as you can see, there's tons of vehicles. We've got the hazards on and everything. And yeah, we were all, our trip was to Iowa, West Point, and we didn't make it.
Dude, where the fuck's it at?
I don't know, but do not open the door again. That was fucking freezing cold. And it's me and Riddick. The last alive, just out of it. Acts like he drove all day.
He only drove about 8 hours.
He only drove about 8 hours, but yeah. So we're stuck here on the side of the road, waiting on the tow truck.
Oh my god, I'm about to whatever. Hi.
It's a bad deal.
I'm just gonna do 100 of it in my checking and the rest in my savings.
This guy's asleep.
Dude, turn the key on again.
Kick that son of a bitch. Maybe we try to crank it. This is what it sounds like. Dog shit.
Yes.
Dude. We got heat. It's just blowing.
My head.
Oh, dude, that's cold, dude.
One of the outside there.
People from Missouri don't know how to scoot over when a vehicle's on the side of the road with their hazards on, so a bunch of dickheads up here. Don't come to Missouri. It's a shitty time. Yeah, we'll get back with you guys here in a little bit. It sounded like it was starting to knock.
Knock, knock, knock.
No, it's definitely.
Riddick, how's it going? How's the ride over here from our taxi driver?
I think I caught the corona. Had the sniffles all day.
Same.
No, the only thing, no, I wasn't smoking.
Don't recommend it. With Wind Ripple Farms.
Question, what the hell is wrong with the truck?
No, what?
Okay, now we're about to go live on
Got the
TikTok
coffee maker.
and tell
Got the
all
coffee maker holding the phone.
our followers what the hell happened.
They were live when the motor decided to got on us.
Yes. We got Dustin's
Chilling.
card. We can. The hotel is paid for it. Dude,
Gotta
I
find
sent you
that
the
filter
video of us
that'll
sitting
make
on
you
the
look
side
like
of the road
butt.
for an hour. And it's 30 degrees up here.
Dude, how cold is it?
33. It was raining. It was sleeting once.
It hailed.
And it was hailing once.
Pretty good trip
Maybe
on
that's
it.
why my allergies are completely muffed up at the moment.
I think I got allergies too.
Because it's on Riddick's story. Yes.
So now we're at a Big Dick Hotel. Doing big dick things.
Luckily,
Have
we
a
had a
big dick time.
21-year-old.
Alright, Donnie.
21-year-old, check this
to
in.
the hotel, or else we wouldn't have got one.
We've been gypped.
What happened? You just wrecked? What'd you do?
off.
What'd you do?
Go check it out.
Yo, check it.
And go.
Check it in Missouri. You're up in the Sooner State.
Oh,
You know, you got that dub.
Fuck you.
Be back with you guys in a sec. Fuck you.
Yeah, you're good there. Yeah. Alright, we made it back. But we didn't end up getting the piece of equipment. The engine blew up in the old Duramax. And we were about, what, I think 5 hours away from home. So we had to stay in a hotel. Then my dad came and got us. We loaded that truck up on the gooseneck, pulled it all the way back home. And yeah, it was a good trip. It was fun. Peace.